And this is our live chakra attunement. It is the 4th of September, 2024, and we are starting out with some nice, slow, deep breaths, breathing in and breathing out. And make sure that you kind of straighten your body, align your breath with your body, nice and straight. Breathing in, breathing out. And with each breath, just grow more confident in your center. Sitting nice and tall on your sits bones with a nice straight spine. Breathing in and breathing out. So the breath takes us back to our center, gathers all the pieces of ourselves that kind of get lost out there with different thoughts and worries and things to do. And we always can come back to the breath, breathing in, breathing out. Surrounding the body in a container of light below the feet, above the head, in front of the body, behind the body, all around. Just making that real by imagining it, continuing to strengthen it, realize it, make it concrete in your world. Breathing in, breathing out. A container of light. Keep things out that you don't need to help bring your energy back into wholeness, into your center. And when we come together, we like to do our invocation for 2024, mindful awareness. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I release the past. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I let go of worrying about the future. I am aware, I am awake. I am fully present in this moment, practicing mindful awareness. Breathing in, I am fully present. Breathing out, I am fully present. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I let go of worrying about the past. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I let go of worrying about the future. I'm awake, I'm aware, I am fully present in this moment, practicing mindful awareness. Breathing in, I am fully present. Breathing out, I am fully present. Taking a nice deep breath, feeling your chakras aligning along your spine and your midline, nice and straight. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I release the past. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I let go of worrying about the future. I am aware, I am awake, I am fully present in this moment, practicing mindful awareness. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I am fully present. So just continuing to breathe, straightening the spine. Drop your attention to your chakras, those energy centers in the body that distribute the prana, the chi force, the life force. And there's so much that you can get out of working with your chakras, working with your energy centers, working with your breath. Not only does it center you and bring you kind of back present, but each chakra that we work with works with different organs, different glands, different subtle bodies, and can really help you balance. So it's a good foundational practice, maybe something you do before you start a meditation, or something you can do for just a few moments a couple of times during your day to help you come back to center. So it's really kind of a nice foundational practice, dropping your attention to your root chakra, which is the tailbone and the pelvic floor, goes down the legs to the secondary chakras in the bottom of the center of each foot. So when you think of it, this root chakra is your grounding chakra. It's the one that can help you feel safe on the earth and in your everyday life. And so, especially during a time of great change and the churning like now, when energy's churning around and moving so fast, it can be really helpful for you to stop and connect yourself to the new healed whole Mother Earth. The new healed whole Mother Earth. So just mentally repeat that a few times or even out loud. The new healed whole Mother Earth. I am fully connected to the new healed whole Mother Earth. And as you repeat that and breathe that, you're connecting to the blueprint of the earth that's already perfect, already in the golden age, the new earth. Because we know that one version of the earth is in the process of change. All of the structures are kind of falling down, falling apart, and that can make you feel uneasy, ungrounded, unprotected. So as you're breathing in and out, connecting to the new healed whole Mother Earth, just kind of curl your toes, move your ankles around, and get that sense of groundedness inside yourself. Breathing in and out, focus on the color red. So you focus on the area of the chakra, you focus on the color. And the low-toned Om is the exercise that connects you, wakes it up. And the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra that goes with it is Lam. So visualizing the red energy throughout your body and your system and your container of light. Focusing on the root and bringing in that low-toned Om for the exercise. Om Lam 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 Om Lam Lam. And continuing to breathe in and breathe out. Feel yourself more grounded, centering your spine. Come up to the orange chakra. That's the second one. The next one up, and that's at the navel area. Wraps around kind of kidney to kidney, hip to hip. Imagine that orange energy just filling your aura, filling your body, focusing it on that second chakra area. Breathing in and breathing out. To wake this one up and align to it and connect with it, we use a medium-toned Om. One-syllable Sanskrit mantra is Vam with a V. Om Vam Vam Om Vam Vam. Breathing in, breathing out. Focusing on that orange energy and feeling its creativity and sense of happiness and joy that vibration can bring. And continuing to breathe, move your consciousness up to the solar plexus, which is about 1.5 inches above the navel. Comes up under the breastbone, wraps around to the adrenals. Lots of organs connected to this sense of personal power and this sense of how you kind of motivate and move out into the world around you and engage with it. Breathing in, breathing out. It's yellow. And I like to think of the earth's sun, bringing it into this power chakra, as it's sometimes called, your personal power there, sense of self-worth. So take a moment to breathe in the yellow. Begin to mentally repeat, I am worthy, I am confident, I'm powerful, I am worthy, I am confident, I'm powerful. And as you chant those, just notice what you notice. Breathing in that yellow, warming up your adrenals around the back, feeling that chakra shining in your center, and it's the top of the 3 personal chakras, the top chakra. And it is a high tone Om we use to spin that and wake it up. And a Ram is the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra. Om Ram And breathing in and breathing out. You have your bottom 3 chakras, the red at the root, orange at the navel, and yellow at the solar plexus, spinning and bright, aligning. Coming up to the middle chakra, the bridge chakra, the heart chakra. This is green in energy. Breathing in the green energy in the heart, love and acceptance. I love and accept you exactly as you are. Love and accept myself exactly as I am. This may be chanting that love and acceptance. That's our exercise. And I really like to open the jaw. Open your jaw up, let the sound come out of the body. Yum is the 1-syllable Sanskrit mantra. Yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. And the heart is the sort of master organ, Empress on the throne and healing. Yum, yum. As you breathe in and out, just kind of opening your heart. You can bring your hands into Anjali Mudra, prayer pose in front of the heart chakra. You could lay your hands on the heart and rub it if it needs a little lightening and connection, and just kind of focus on something you love, someone you love. Yum. And let that feeling expand into your aura, into your energy field. Yum. Love and acceptance. Visualizing a world of love and acceptance. Yum. Yum. Breathing in and breathing out. Yum, yum. From the heart, we come up to the throat chakra. So the heart is the bridge, and these next 3 chakras are more universal chakras, dealing with communication, other life force, other living beings. First one is blue as the sky. That's the throat. That is our exercise with the lion breath. So the tongue comes out to the chin. The paws flare up. Hum, hum, hum. And you'll notice if you're doing that breath, that you're really pumping your belly and your diaphragm. So really kind of strengthening in those first 4 chakras, aligning them, bringing them all together and communicating from the heart. Hum, hum. Hum, the blue sky. And the 1-syllable Sanskrit mantra is hum as well, but we chant it. Hum, 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 hum. And from the blue of the throat, we go to the indigo of the 3rd eye, and that is above there, the brow chakra up there. The 1-syllable Sanskrit mantra for this is Sham, and the exercise is a high-pitched E. And for the 3rd eye chakra, I like to bring my palms open, hold them up. And here, when I think of wholeness and unity, community, I also feel gratitude. So taking a moment to keep the palms open and maybe state something you're grateful for. Grateful for the breath, grateful to be here in this moment with all of you. I'm grateful to remember that I can be fully present in the moment, whatever it is. Making that statement, feeling it, and the high-pitched E as the indigo spreads in the 3rd eye. Ready? Sham, 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 sham. Sham, 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 sham. Breathing in, breathing out. From the 3rd eye, we go to the crown. The chakra at the top of the head comes through the top of the skull and connects us universally to all life, to all living beings. With the palms still open, you can start to visualize your guides, your guardians, spiritual energies that you hold dear and close to your heart. Breathing in, breathing out. The exercise is wah sound. Wah, 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 wah. Goes from low to high. The color associated with this chakra is this purple amethyst violet color that as it goes up, it streams into white light. That's the way I see it. So breathing this light in. Breathing in, breathing out. Wah, 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 from low to high. When you get to your highest note, just kind of let it go out into the ethers and feel the shower of light coming back into the palms, into the top of the head, throughout all your chakras. Ready? Wah, 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 wah. Receiving back. Again, focusing on all your chakras, a line bursting out through the crown. Wah, 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 wah. Taking a moment to feeling the energy of your alignment, of this simple practice that we're doing together this morning. Breathing in, breathing out. And as you continue to breathe in and breathe out, feeling balanced and aligned. The one-syllable Sanskrit mantra that goes with the crown chakra is Om. So we'll close and seal our practice today with one beautiful Om on this Wednesday midweek, September 4th. Ready? Om.